Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel and today we are going to learn how to post Instagram stories on desktop. So let's get started. So if you want to post Instagram stories from your desktop, so to do that what you can do is follow some easy steps. First what you can do is just simply open up your Chrome browser. After opening up your browser, just simply select your account and then search for instagram.com. After searching for Instagram.com, now what you can do is just simply go ahead and log into your device. And after logging into your device, now what you can do is just simply right click anywhere that you want. And after right clicking, now you just have to scroll down and you will find this inspect option. What you have to do is just simply tap on inspect. And after tapping on inspect, now what you can do is just simply tap on this option from where you can change your resolution. So from here, what you have to do is just simply select any one of the resolution or select any one of the device that you like. For example, I have selected iPhone 14 Pro Max, and after selecting it, you will change your resolution to iPhone 14 Pro Max's. And after doing that, now you will just scroll down, then you will find the option to add story. But before doing that, just simply refresh your website, and after doing that, you will find this option. So here you can see guys, now you can find the plus option over here. What you can do is just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you can simply add a story if you want. So just simply select an image or a video that you want to upload and then tap on post. After tapping on post, now you can just simply go ahead and add a text. After adding a text, you can just simply add a sticker, song, anything that you like to your story. And after adding all of that, now you just have to tap on add to your story. And after doing that, you will successfully post story in your Instagram account. So that's it guys, this is how to post Instagram stories on desktop. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.